including the long-awaited BERA airdrop. That unfortunately is a huge disappointment to many. There are plenty of BERA testnet participants, myself included, who did not receive any allocation. The word on the street is that it was a lottery, so curb your expectations if you participated. Our Atom staking blitz is right around the corner, and we will handsomely reward our early supporters who help us get into the active set. So, stay tuned for information. To access airdrop claim links, please register for our Cosmos airdrop email. The URL is airdrops.atlas-staking.com/cosmos. You must use a Cosmos native wallet, like Kepler or Leap, or Cosmos Station to claim airdrops and manage those tokens. We do our best to verify that all this information is official and safe to click, but we can't possibly know if a project turns out to be a scam. We are not smart contract or wallet authorization auditors, nor do we hold ourselves out to be, so be smart. The first airdrop to share with you today is BERA. BERA is a modular EVM-compatible L1 blockchain powered by proof of liquidity. POL aligns network security and liquidity by validators rewarding liquidity providers on BERA with the non-purchasable staking token of the network. They are backed by Multichain Capital and Hack VC. The token symbol is BERA. This airdrop is available for testnet participants, recipients of community programs, Boyko Vault participants, those heavily involved in promoting the community, holders of certain BERA NFTs, Binance BNB hodlers, and strategic partners. The snapshot was taken on January 14, 2025. The rumor is that this airdrop was a lottery, so testnet participation does not guarantee you any tokens. You can claim at https://checker.berachain.com. Today's second airdrop is from Side Protocol. Side Protocol is an extension layer of Bitcoin, designed to enable the next generation of non-custodial applications within the Bitcoin-centric internet. By introducing the first decentralized on-chain banking infrastructure, Side aims to onboard billions of users globally, positioning Bitcoin as the definitive global currency. The token symbol is Side, and the airdrop is available for testnet participants, Bad Kids NFT, and Celestine Sloth's NFT holders. The snapshot was taken on November 13, 2024. You can claim at https://station.side1 and stake Side at https://station.side1/staking. Atlas Staking ran validators for all three Side testnets, and we sincerely hope to be chosen as a mainnet validator soon. Our third and final airdrop to share today is from ALLIN Gaming. ALLIN Gaming is an on-chain gaming, play-to-earn roll app that is built on Dimension. The token symbol is ALLIN. The snapshot is ongoing, and this airdrop is currently available for active users of the platform, testnet participants, and Dimension stakers. The link on the top right corner of their website provides access to their app. That's it for today. We hope this list gets you into action. Remember to stake your tokens with Atlas Staking, and be on the lookout for our Atom Staking Blitz. Have a great day.